Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First, let's open the controls menu on our watch. To open the controls menu, press and hold the light button. After the menu appears on the screen, you can release the button, and as you can see, here we have the controls menu. We can scroll through it by using the up and down buttons. Now let's check if we have the airplane mode icon in this menu. By default, it probably won't be here. So if you don't have the airplane mode icon on this menu, you need to press and hold the up button to open the menu, and you will see the option called Add Controls. Select it and press the start button to enter. Here, scroll through the list of controls, find the airplane mode, and press the start button to add it. As you can see, it says control added, and if you press the back button to go back to controls menu, you will see that this appeared on the menu, and if you scroll through the menu, you will see that the airplane mode icon is here, and once you select the airplane mode icon, you will see that airplane mode is off at the moment, and to turn it on, you can press the start button, scroll down, and the mode will be enabled. And when you enable it, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. So that's how you enable the mode. If you want to disable it, you can open the controls menu, select the airplane mode icon, and press the start button to disable it. Once it says off, it means that the airplane mode is disabled, and you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.